on, everybody? What's going on? You know who this is, Big Country. And like and share this video. You have my permission to share it and subscribe. Like I said, I know I'm not putting much videos up, but there will be a lot of videos, a lot of vlogging, a lot of gameplay, whatever. It could be some videos coming up. Right now, I got other things I'm doing, and I didn't really have time to put much videos up. But I'm doing this right here, unboxing. Got something new for my setup, and we're gonna unbox this and check it and see what it is. How about that? That's what we have. First what I did, I ordered me another headset for my phone. The headset I had was this thing. I didn't much like it. A lot of people say they couldn't even hear me talking. And so I figured I'd get a better one. Unboxing it. Put it right here for the time being. Got the USB thing to charge it up. Got a instruction booklet. I don't know what that jump right there. And this is right here. Oh, it's a little small one. It looks steady. Look kind of steady. Let's see. Yeah, it'll fit pretty good. I gotta go take it. I'm going to get it, charge it up, and we'll see how it rolls. Okay. My next thing that I have received is this. These right here. These right here, I'm gonna try to do is better for cable management. You know, zip the thing down. Zip the thing down. Okay, oh yeah, okay, now, yeah. You zip it down, close it. So we're trying to get our cable management, because we got cable so messed up. So, you know, my cable management under there. So tomorrow, because right now I'm finna go somewhere. I just want to do this unboxing with y'all. I got to try to get this cable management. So it came in a box of 4. They're only $10. So it come in a box of 4. It's only $10. Now what I do, for y'all who trying to, like my girl Juice Talk Radio, who think, you know, getting her setup started, I'll put a link in the description for that cable management right there. You know, to put your cables in and stuff and all that. I'm thinking about buying another desk, one of them gamer desks. I don't know. I mean, I don't know yet. This desk here is pretty good. I'm making it steady and stuff. I might take this side piece off. I might end up taking this piece here off so I can have more room to maneuver and stuff. This right here is a RGB Lightning mouse pad. I'll be showing some gamers people online were having it, and I always say I had want one, and it was only $19. So that's what it right here. You see it? Okay, that's what it is. I'm gonna keep this box right here. I'm gonna keep this box. Thumbs up. I don't know what the heck that is. Probably a little booklet. No, I can't see what's a damn. I'm gonna keep this box because when I move, I'm gonna have the box with everything people had. And when I order, like my monitors, I still got the order box. It's the gaming thing, the fax machine / printer, still have the box. So here come the wire for it. Stuff like that there. It's the wire. Put it around my neck right here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that plastic. Like this with a little plastic. I'm gonna keep that plastic. So, like I said, when I move, man, I have it. I just put everything in a normal box to my new, and I have it for my new spot. And this the pad. This is the pad right here. That's the pad. Okay. So you got a little switch thing right here. So I guess it goes like that. So you know what I have to do. It don't go with a keyboard. So what I end up have to do, I'm gonna show you what I mean. See, it's too long. It don't fit to the keyboard part. So I end up putting keyboard and everything up here. So I'm gonna eventually do that. Right now, I'm not gonna really do it because I gotta move the PlayStation. I gotta reposition that PlayStation, and I'm gonna do all that tomorrow and put it up there. I just wanna show y'all what I got here. Basically, the next video, well, I will hook everything up, put everything together, and we'll see how the lighting look. And I might do it when I come back. I'm just going out. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Oh man, I'm tired. I just came back. Not too long, came back. You can see to my face, I am tired. I want to show you the little padding that I got. Show you how it is. This is it. See it right here. Got the padding, got the plate on the PlayStation. I had to take this from underneath because it wouldn't fit under here. So I had to put it up top here. Only difference is my desk is so high that I gotta kind of get up on it, but you know, it's still all good. I like to have my thing here in the blue. I'm planning to get another keyboard. I am planning to get another keyboard and a mouse. Now the mouse, only thing I don't like about it, the mouse do not turn blue. You know, but like I said, I want to take this part. I might take this part off so I can have a lot more room and stuff. Like if you see back there, I'm gonna clean up back there. It's junky now, and I'm gonna clean up, and I might put this desk up, you know, against the window of the wall there. I might do that, but basically that's how it look right there. I'm getting a 3 monitor mount probably next week. This a hydraulic. It's my phone right here. This hydraulic one is okay, but I want the 3 monitors kind of together. I might be getting another monitor. why I said I might get another monitor is because I want the 3 monitors set up for the computer. Now there's no rush I'm getting that because I have to change my video card. I have to get a more better updated video card. So I got a basic update video card. I gotta get some more RAM put in it. And something else. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm about to go to bed after I do this video. But yeah, I'm tomorrow. You see, I got my things right here. So I'm tomorrow. I might call how I feel. I'm gonna go ahead and start to get the wires, do the wire management, and try to have everything together, and mount it kind of like under the desk so the wires won't be seen. If I don't do it, oh well. I ain't got to have it all perfect or whatever. I'm still gonna get another desk because I want a bigger desk. I want at least 45 inches or a 90-inch desk. So I still want another desk. This is why I'm taking this one off so I can have some more room. So I'm bundled up right here. I take this off, I have more room to go. So and then I'm thinking about turning this desk around and put it against the wall right there. That what it might end up doing, turning this around and put it against the wall. We will see. We will see. But right now, I just want to show you. It works good. Show you the settings. The setting button. You can turn it green. Purple. So you can turn a couple of colors. The white, just different colors. See that? Different colors. See how it goes. I thought you can speed it up. I thought it had a thing you can speed it up. I don't know. But you see it changing colors. Changing colors. See that there? Changing colors and stuff. I might end up moving my PS4, okay, and might end up putting it like underneath here. If I move this and put it on that end, I'm putting the PS4 under here. So I definitely have to get the wire management. But yeah, this is say it moves. Definitely change. See if it changed colors and stuff. It's changing colors. See that? So that's kind of cool. See it? There you go. And you cut it off. So that's the pad. It's real nice. I like it. The mouse work good. See, the mouse work. Can you see that? I'm about to see it better here. The mouse work real good on it. So I like it. I like it. So that's an addition. Like I said, I feel like it. I will be doing some wire management. Also, I'm gonna show you something else. This is something else. I started today, but I just didn't finish. Lights on it. So now I do this wire management. All this wire here gonna be hidden and stuff. So this is why this basically what I haven't finished because have to see what I'm gonna do with the desk. I'm gonna take, like I said, take that off that end there, and put it over there, and so I can put the computer up there, and so I can have more free room here. So I'm gonna put the lights under the desk. So basically, it could be lighting up under the desk there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to change around, do a little something, you know. So right now, man, I'm gonna go. I am tired. I know y'all looking at my eyes and say, this boy tired. I am tired, man. I am tired. So tell me what you think in the comment section. You know, every time I do a change, I show y'all. Like I say, for that mouse pad, the cable management thing, I'll put a link in the description so y'all can check it out. I got everything from Amazon. Y'all don't see the steering wheel there no more because I got that pad. I can't put the steering wheel, so I don't know. I'm gonna put the steering wheel up. I don't play the truck driver game. Like I said, I want a bigger desk so I can have a lot of room, so I can have that steering wheel. So, you know, like I said, let me go ahead. I'm gonna get me some sleep. I'm tired. I'll work on the rest of this tomorrow. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Peace.